Weather from where you live.
All right, these storms in our eastern counties are raining themselves out right now and just pretty much all collapsing as they are in southern Clinton County. But this storm down in Montgomery County is intense. It's put out a couple little wind cores here. We've seen them up in the storms, and then the wind cores kind of belched out. And right here it is. This was actually really pink about 5 minutes ago. So we're witnessing a core wind come out of the storm, a microburst come out of the storm and fan outwards. No weather stations in this area, but I would bet we've got some tree damage right here. I-74, 47, around Smartsburg, and also down towards Mace. You can also see we had a little hail core with nickel-sized hail possible near Mace. Now we're seeing the hail come out of the storm and the hail's going away. So that's kind of the MO with these storms. They pulse up, they belch out their heavy rain, perhaps a severe gust, thunder and lightning, and then they completely collapse and the sun is out within 1 hour. Other storms developing here, western Warren County, and as we see the rain cool there, the outflow boundary from storms to the east and storms to the south kind of converge here in northwest Tippecanoe, southwest White and Benton counties. We'll likely see a few more storms develop in this zone over about the next 1 to 1.5 hours. So still a few storms this evening, and then they completely diminish. Then it's just calm with some patchy fog near 80 at 11 o'clock. We only dropped to 74 tonight. Tomorrow, a few isolated storms bubbling up, but blazing hot with 97, heat index 106. A little more of a breeze though. Winds south-southwest 10 to 20 miles an hour. There are the highs 92 to 98 viewing area wide, but that heat index around 100 to pushing 110. Now, here's the good news. Friday, we cool off a little bit. 84 to 90 for the high for a change. Still a little humid though. Notice the heat indices 88 to 97, but it will not be as blazing hot. After some scattered showers and storms in the morning, then a break with a lot of sinking air, just partly cloudy, then a few isolated storms late in the day, nice northwest wind, a high of 87. So any storms diminish this evening, then you got your patchy fog. Couple isolated storms tomorrow, but then tomorrow evening the storm risk begins to come up again. Tomorrow evening, especially 8, 9, 10 o'clock, we'll have a wave of some scattered storms, then a break, and then overnight a wave of storms comes through. Whether it be tomorrow evening, or tomorrow night, can't rule out an isolated severe gust or two. The Storm Prediction Center has the marginal risk or the isolated severe risk pretty much for the northwest or western half of the viewing area for wind. 85 is normal. At least we're closer to that Friday. That 88 would mean an end of the heat wave. 90 on Saturday, but then we really heat up next week, and I really do think some places are going to get to 100 by the end of next week as the worst heat wave since 2012 kind of settles in at that point.
It's just not letting up.
Not letting up at all.
All right, thanks so much,
Okay.
Chad. City leaders in West Lafayette want to address